Here you see there's app with viruses of number blocks. So let's start this video. If you enjoyed this video and like and subscribe, get the bell notification and comment and share and do all. So the first app is Meet the Number Blocks. So the Meet the Number Blocks, it's an app that's played a million of children. Then he enjoyed the game that's his safe. Then suddenly, after you enter the game, it will be the black screen and the loading screen and appear the number block logo. Then you can play as you want. Suddenly, after you enter, and one says hello, something it will be happening. After you want to play, after you touch the number, after you touch the number block, something will happen. The one will turn evil. Then it will hack your phone. Then he just knows, and your system will be corrupted. There and the Linux will appear the penguin then, and you can't turn it off anymore because it's a virus app. So let's see in the video. I'm installing the Meet the Number Blocks, the virus app.
Welcome to Meet the Numberblocks. Tap the
Hello. Hello. Hello, Ella. Hello. 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 Hello.
Would you like to play, or I will hack your phone? No.
The phone has been modified in an unauthorized way, and it's locked. System is corrupted. System is corrupted. System is corrupted. System is corrupted.
So bye guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.